STEPN generally is a low-positioned coin with the ticker GMT that has an especially present worth of $0.297270 and a market capitalization of $405,997,270, which is very huge. Digital currencies generally have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in an unpretentious way. These days, it's a resource class that generally is considerably directed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate, which essentially is very critical. Some genuinely huge speculation banks even basically obtain STEPN and fundamentally other digital currencies as a group to generally safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and really long-haul forecast of the improvements on the GMT market that fundamentally depend on the readings of our essentially extraordinary crypto unpredictability file that basically assists us with checking the market opinion and truly expect where in which the market plans to go, or so they sort of thought. At this point, the cost of STEPN explicitly is $0.297270, while the coin presently generally ends up at 79th spot in the truly by and large kind of positioning. The said commonly positioning by and large is assessed based on the resource's current value that explicitly is duplicated by its exceptionally current market capitalization, a recipe that generally is applied all through every monetary market, which really is genuinely critical. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients especially get the most applicable information with respect to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios, or so they thought. It's likewise vital to essentially consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in a sort of large manner. On December 8, the cost of STEPN in a real sense was at $0.285383 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change truly added up to 4.65%, which generally is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on December 2, GMT in every practical sense was esteemed at $0.264083, which most certainly intends that from that point forward, the cost especially has truly vacillated by 0% in a huge manner. A month prior, on November 9, the market member laid out the cost of STEPN at $0.226337. Subsequently, the coin essentially has taken a 31.34% action to fundamentally arrive at its really present standings, which by and large is genuinely critical. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of STEPN isn't the main variable that we really consider while making the cost expectation, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. It's likewise vital to in a real sense keep an in every practical sense sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to sort of have an unmistakable perspective on where the market in a real sense is going, which generally is very critical. The examination of market capitalization in a real sense conveys essentially equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors, exhibiting that presently, now is the ideal time to for the most part uncover our short, mid, and especially long-haul expectation of the improvements on the GMT market that generally depend on the readings of our exceptionally one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability record that assists us with checking the market feeling and by and large expect the heading wherein the market plans to in every practical sense go in a genuinely significant way. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology generally is utilized to decide the sort of by and large position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Changes in market capitalization exceptionally sure or genuinely negative for the most part are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could truly be going, as well as the resource's extremely potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both certainly short and long-haul points of view in a by and large huge manner. This in every practical sense, specific measurement is likewise used to check the strength of STEPN, corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. To decide the truly current market capitalization of GMT, we vary the flowing stockpile, the boundary that will truly be in every practical sense made sense of later by the kind of present worth of the cryptographic money under survey. Genuinely further appearance how stepn is a low-positioned coin with the ticker GMT that sort of has a sort of present worth of $0.297270 and a market capitalization of $405,997,270 in an unobtrusive manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of stepn explicitly remains at $405,997,270, which frames the reason for genuinely present fundamentally positioning by and large was referenced before, which truly is very critical. Yesterday, on December 8, GMT sort of had a market capitalization of $368,183,314 in an especially large manner. Keep going week, on December 2, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to really was recorded at $366,300,488 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on November 9, the market worth of stepn basically was evaluated to truly be $294,346,439 in an especially significant manner. Complete stock considers the quantity of coins that in every practical sense have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining in an unobtrusive way. These digital currencies can in every practical sense be utilized either for kind of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, which by and large is genuinely critical. This fundamentally metric likewise considers the coins that sort of have been eliminated through the interaction called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate, which most certainly is very huge. At this point, the kind of complete stock of stepn is laid out at 5,260,452,015 GMT in an unpretentious manner. Ultimately, the coursing supply basically is utilized to in a real sense work out the market capitalization and certainly evaluate the coin's sort of current remaining in the positions, which essentially is genuinely critical. It means the extremely by and large measure of GMT that in a real sense is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that truly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly really put unavailable for general use out of the blue. So on December 8, the cost of stepn was at $0.285383 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in a real sense added up to 4.65% in a for the most part significant manner. It's by and large in every practical sense accepted that digital currencies that truly have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million certainly are the most appropriate for truly long-haul speculation, since they fundamentally are generally really liable to generally see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. At this crossroads, stepn has a circling supply of 1,365,751,392 coins, showing how this exceptionally specific measurement sort of is likewise used to check the predominance of stepn, comparable to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in a sort of large manner. Over the very beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with GMT arrived at the mark of $80,159,003, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking.